Hey guys, welcome back to Our World Outdoors. So today we're going to do another permit-only state nature preserve. Now, I can't even mention the name of this one because this is like a shoot-off of a public state nature preserve. But what I will say is we're going to Robinson Falls. If I remember correctly, and it's been a while, so bear with me, Robinson Falls is a Corkscrew falls that was mentioned in Backpackers magazine, one of the last true corkscrew falls in the US, but I'll have to check that and verify that. But anyways, we're at Robinson Falls today. We're gonna go down and see if it's running. It's usually a crapshoot to see if it's running, and that's the problem with the permit process, is you may get a permit for 2 weeks from now and it's not running. So let's go take a look. So that's absolutely gorgeous. And it was way closer than I thought. Literally, this probably round trip is gonna be like a 1/16 of a mile. But it's crazy to realize that this was here the whole time and we didn't know about it. As a natural corkscrew falls, if I remember correctly, is what they classify it as.
It's really pretty. Flowing really good today too.
Plus the sidewalls are all covered with that neon green moss, and then the water is like crystal clear and kind of a blue pool at the bottom. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera.
Kind of makes it look enchanted.
Yeah, it does look like something out of like an island movie or a Disney film or something. It's kind of crazy. It's moments like this that it's not about the miles, it's about the experience and spending it with someone you love, like my beautiful wife. It's kind of not what I expected, because I expected to come out and do a few miles, but I'm not complaining, and I'm not getting off trail. It's very clear they've got this roped off with cable. Don't get off trail and ruin it for everybody.
It's definitely something to see though.
Yeah, let us take a minute here and just enjoy it, and we'll get back to you. So we got to spend some time here at this beautiful Robinson Falls. Well worth the trip, well worth the permit process. We actually ordered this with the Saltpeter Cave permit and did both this weekend. So this is a beautiful environment, beautiful place to be. And this, it's silly if you don't come here, because I kid you not, it's like a 1/16 of a mile. It's crazy. It really is. There's a lot of beauty here. Just taking it and sitting down and soaking it in. There's some huge roots here you can sit on that are actually pretty comfortable.
Yeah.
And just take a moment and enjoy it.
This would be a nice place that if you were planning on coming to the Hocking Hills and doing some of the other trails, this is a nice one that you could hit in the middle of something else.
Yep.
In your travel time.
Or if you're coming to town for lunch, you could come to this one and then zoom back out to a different part of the caves or something. There's definitely some opportunity to fit this in the schedule. If you live in Columbus, or if you live up north, there's ways to fit this in on your way home.
Yes, because it doesn't take long at all, and you'll definitely appreciate it.
Yeah, probably 8 minutes outside of Logan. So we're gonna just kind of take 5 more minutes here, and then we're gonna get out of here. Not a lot to film in this one, guys. There just isn't. But we really appreciate you coming along with us here.
And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications, that way you can see all of the upcoming videos.
Thanks for coming along with us on our journey here, and we'll see you in the next one.